Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. I cannot believe it's day 10. We are in the double digits. We got to it. Happy Tuesday morning. I told y'all yesterday, if you guys have not seen Vlogmas Day 9, I just had a day. I had a moment and I told you I was only gonna give myself 24 hours to feel like that and then I was gonna come back to me. So I'm back to me. Good morning. I did something to myself. I put on a, cute green little shirt, got into the spirit just a little bit. Of course I'm running late for work, but I wanted to start the vlog off and just say good morning. Also, today is my 3-year anniversary from graduating from college. Oh, it's crazy. It's so freaking crazy. 3 years ago, I was walking across the street getting my degrees from the Norfolk State University. That's, oh, I got green on too, so feeling real alumni-ish. Okay. I don't know, 3 years flew by. It honestly did. I feel like I was just at school, and now it's crazy because I'm about to start grad school and celebrating friends who are graduating from grad school. So it's just like this time, it's just weird how much time has passed and what has been accomplished in that time. So today's agenda is definitely getting these eyebrows done when I get off of work. That is like numero uno. The brows got to get done because we're struggling with the brows. So I'm gonna do that, and I think I might do something else. I don't know, we're gonna see. I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me for Vlogmas Day 10. It's a better day. It's not raining outside, which is good because yesterday it was pouring. So we're gonna just head to work and let's get our day started. So happy Vlogmas Day 10 and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the vlog. Let's get started. Okay, so I just got home and I know I was like, I'm gonna go get these brows done, go tame those after work, but unfortunately could not get that done today because it is pouring down raining and your girl didn't have no type of umbrella, like no umbrella at all. And I had packages that came to work today that I also didn't want to lug around, and then it's raining. It was just too much. So I'm just gonna go tomorrow, but since my packages came, I am going on a trip in like 3 days and I have some ideas of what I'm gonna wear, but I don't really know what I'm really wearing. So I was just like, cool, today will be the day that one, I have to unpack. I just have this stuff literally thrown in here. It's all clean, it's nothing dirty. And then I have just all these clean clothes that I have to put away. Fun fact about me is I absolutely despise putting away clothes. Like, I will wash every single thing, wash every load, but when it comes to like the folding and the putting it away, I just do not enjoy that at all. So that's why that's just kind of been sitting there for like the past week since I came back from Thanksgiving. Well, now going on the 2nd week. And then same with the suitcase. I'm like, I'm just gonna go ahead and rotate it out, put the new stuff in, take the old stuff out. But let me show you guys. Wait, hold on. First thing I do when I come home, y'all, is light. I'm trying to put y'all down. Okay, here we go. Is light my candle, and I don't sit on my bed, so sit on my good stool. Gotta light my candle. Where's my lighter? And this one I'm already like burned down, and I just got it on Saturday, so like I go through candles quickly. I need to figure out what I'm gonna eat for dinner. I'm so sad because tomorrow it's supposed to snow, and usually I used to be so excited about the snow. Not in New York, because nothing stops, everything keeps going, so it's not even like it's fun. It's just like, oh, I have to go to work in the snow. But that's here nor there. So I did get some Christmas presents that came today that I'm not going to show because I don't know if my family is watching. They probably not watching these videos, but I got 2 gifts. One I bought from my mom, and my aunt was like, oh, I already got that. Well, damn sis, tell the rest of the family. So now I have like an extra gift that I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with it. But I also realized I don't have any wrapping paper. So if it wasn't raining, I would honestly walk to like the Dollar General or the Dollar Tree and get some, but I ain't trying to do all that. as I look outside. Try to do all that. I also need to get some holiday cards, but I do want to spend money on those because I want them to be nice to just give to, like, you know, my boss, mentor, stuff like that. And I gotta put those in the mail and everything like that. So I want to do like a cute Christmas card send out thank you this year. Just because I'm in a better headspace and I had a good year. And a lot of people I just want to say, you know, happy holidays, to let them know that I'm thinking of them during this time and all that. What else do I need to do now that I'm sitting here going down my Christmas like to-do list? I need to send my family my itinerary for Christmas because I'm the host. So I have like a brunch menu, I have activities. I'll talk about it a little bit more later tonight, because I'm probably going to work on the actual like itinerary and the invitation and stuff like that and send that to my family. And of course they're gonna have jokes, so we're gonna get into that too. So I've been trying to get these freaking boots for like literally a month and a half. So I initially ordered them, and because I gotta deliver to my job, because I don't have a safe place for them to drop packages off at my house, I just get everything sent to my job. They would try to deliver it like after hours, and after a certain time the building closes down where you can't access it and you can't get to our mailroom. So they returned the shoes back to Public Desire. That was a whole thing, because I'm like, what the heck? They only attempted twice. No one notified me, you know, of them trying to attempt it. I didn't get like no updates or nothing. So got 15% off my next order. Go ahead and put that to the side. So I was just like really annoyed, so I got a refund. And then on Black Friday they were actually cheaper and on sale. So I was just like, you know what, I'll just reorder them again. And I was this close to them being sent back again with the same issue. I literally was like on the phone with the post office, like trying to get them delivered. It was a whole situation, and then I finally got a notification that they were delivered and I got my shoes. So these are the shoes that caused all the hoopla. I hope they fit, because if they don't fit, I'm gonna be even more pissed. It's just some nice white boots. I really been dying for a pair of white leather boots. I got these in a size 10. I wear a size 9, but I always get a size up or half size up in like my boots or heels, because these are kind of like a little heels, just because I don't want them to be too snug and anything like that. So I hope these are not too big and they fit. I hope I like them for all that I did. Like, I did a lot. Like, I've never reordered a shoe and went through all that and called, but I was just pressed. Like, I really wanted these. And watch me put them on and not even fucking like them. That's always my issue. It's like once I put a shoe on, and they look huge, so that's also like, you know. But I need them for this weekend, so they have to work. Let's see. Will they fit on the oh no, they fit. They absolutely do fit. Y'all know that Public Desire is like a UK type store, so their stuff fits a little snug. But these fit like my calves perfectly. If you're a person who has big calves, you will not be able to fit the shoe. I have like medium-sized calves. My legs are ashy. Let me show you. I have like medium-sized calves, I guess. They seem pretty comfortable. This leather, it's like pleather, it's not leather, but I hope this doesn't mess up easily, or if it does, I can like use like a magic eraser to clean it off. Ugh. Take the paper out of it. But I feel like I'm going to love these. I need to figure out what I'm going to do to my hair. That's another issue. I'm going to wash it tomorrow. Let tomorrow be like my pampering, get myself together day. But I definitely need to figure out if I'm going to wear another wig, or I'm going to wear this wig for the weekend, because I don't know. Let me see. Okay, so the current fit that I have on is not a good try-on fit. So let's just ignore. I cannot get that out. Let's just ignore that. But however, these are so freaking cute. I love them. I love that they come like right under the knee. So if I wear a dress or anything, it'll be perfect. Let's see if they're like loud. They're not loud and they're pretty comfortable. I would say for them to be like a boot, they're like really, really comfortable. These are gonna be bomb this weekend. I cannot wait to style them and wear them. Finally. So the other, I actually probably gonna use this coupon. I desperately need like a pair of brown boots. I have no brown boots. I own like no brown shoes at all. I had one pair. It was like a knee, came to the knee. It was knee-high boots. Had a really thin stiletto heel on them. I got rid of like all my thin stiletto heels because I live in New York, and if you're not walking around with this type of boot, you're not walking around with no damn skinny stiletto heels. So like last winter I just got rid of all of them. Not mad about it either, because who wants to walk around in them? Yeah, this is like really on my calf, which is good, so that means they won't fall down. So yeah, and I just got rid of all of them, and now I'm like having to start over and put more things back into my freaking wardrobe, so that kind of sucks. All right, so successful shoe haul, I guess that was. Okay, so I'm not even about to hold y'all, for real. I got on the phone with my aunt and talked to her for like the past 3 hours, and y'all just know how that is. I took a shower though, and I'm now laying across a bed full of clothes. So I did unpack, so the suitcase is gone. That means phase 1 is complete. I've already separated my clothes. All that stuff has to be like folded, so I'm not doing that tonight. But I remember the clothes behind me. I'm like, I have stuff that I need to hang up, so I'm like, should I just put some music on and hang all of it up, or should I just call it a night, because I still have to edit this video and I'm kind of tired. I don't know. I think I'm gonna just put this stuff away. But before I do that, I did organize all my stuff out. I had to find something to wear for each little item or whatever, so I went through the itinerary. So I'll be there from Friday to Sunday, like during the day, because I get there in the morning and leave like in the evening. So I had to get something to wear to her graduation, so I have that covered. We're going to dinner, and then we're having a pajama party after that. So for my pajamas, I have pajama options because I love pajamas, but I just bought some like Christmassy pajamas, which is these really cute stripes. I bought those during Black Friday, just to have as an extra pair. So I'm like, I can just bring those and wear my Christmas pajamas. I mean, it's still Christmas. And then Saturday we're going to brunch, so I have like a possible brunch fit, but I really need, I'm looking at the shoes. So the shoes are those red netted shoes. Let's see if we can zoom, because I do not feel like getting up. It's just like the red net shoe. I've had those shoes for about two years now and have not worn them. I am a shoe person. I love shoes. I used to hoard shoes. I got rid of a lot of shoes actually, but I'll just hold on to shoes and wait to wear them till it's like the right time. So I haven't worn them, and I feel like this is the right time to pop them out, but I don't have any bottoms to wear with it. So I'm going to run into like Forever 21 because I have a 40% off coupon with them, so I'm trying to be frugal. A 40% off coupon with them. So tomorrow I'm gonna run into Forever 21 and see what kind of bottoms they have, because I'm just gonna wear it with just like a t-shirt. I have leather pants, but I just wore them and I don't want to wear them. I want to get like maybe like a different type of like cute bottom. If not, then I would just wear, I'm trying to think what I would wear. Just some jeans, a type of denim. But I need to get, I don't have a cute denim. Like I have like no bottoms. It used to be the opposite where I had a whole bunch of bottoms and no tops. Now it's kind of like the opposite, which is weird. And I'm about to be having an on the go weekend. So I'm sorry this vlog didn't turn out to be anything except for me like showing my shoes and pre-packing. And then tomorrow will be me running around looking for stuff and you know, picking up things. Maybe tomorrow's vlog, well yeah, tomorrow's vlog will be definitely better than the last 2 days this week. just because, like I said, I'm in better spirits and I actually have things that I have to do. So I actually have like footage that I could get that will make it better. And then this weekend, literally Fridays vlog, Saturdays vlog, Sundays vlog. Well, Friday, Saturday, and Sundays vlogs are all gonna be lit. So make sure you definitely come back and check those out. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe if you guys want to come see the craziness that's gonna be going on in the next few weeks. Christmas is like 14 days away. Lucky 14. But yeah, Christmas is like freaking 14 days a week. 14 days a week. 14 days away. I have a lot of, I don't want to say a lot, but I feel like I have a lot of Christmas shopping to do. So I have to do that next week. I have a lot to do and have to prepare. I didn't even get to do my itinerary tonight. I think I'm just going to do it tomorrow. No, tomorrow's Wednesday. Wednesdays at work, it's crazy. Gotta find time to do that as well. Oh, it's just not enough hours in the day, I swear. But I don't want to ramble anymore, so I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Thanks for watching.